Hi there, I'm Maria, and this week I've prepared a short video to follow up on the DIY planner I created last week. I took it with me traveling, so let's see what happened. Here's the planner, and it's, as you can see, it's super light and thin, which was the whole idea. I just wanted to take the pages that I need and that I'm using this month rather than the whole thing. I need something to fit while walking around, and I want it to be light and portable. So that's why I decided to test this disc system that I saw on the internet and decided to give it a go. It's basically these little plastic discs and mushroom-like punch-throughs that we can use to just put the disc in place, and it holds the pages together. So I used that for about 5 days walking around nonstop outside in Barcelona, and I was using this bag to carry it around, so it has no special pocket whatsoever for a book, and I pretty much left it to survive in there. And what happened is, as you can see, it lost one of the discs. It is actually in my bag, but just wanted to show you that it actually did not hold too well at the end here. But I think the reason for that are these very thin covers that I've used, and I'll look for something sturdier and thicker, not so bendable, and I think that will hold in place much better. If you have a look here, you'll see the other ones are intact, but this last one here is holding on only by the covers because the paper ends here. So I think I'll try to fix that next month with a thicker cover, and we'll see what happens. Beside that, I absolutely love the fact that you can flip these around pretty much as you wish, and they just stay in place. It is very light. Also, another con of the covers that are too thin, it kind of bend it. Do you see? Here there's a bump. There was something else in my bag that was pressing against it, and so the paper is now a bit bent. But again, we need thicker covers to fix this, and I think that should be fine. Overall, I loved how light and easy to carry around this is, and just flip it in and out in the bag. And as I said, it lays perfectly flat. You can use it whichever way you want. I love the form factor. I would maybe make the next month's printables a bit bigger because A5 is okay, but I feel I need a bit more space. A4 is too big for me personally, but A5 turns out a bit too small. So try something maybe in the middle. There's a B5, 6, something like that. For my next monthly setup, I'll try that one. And I'll keep using these printables and this physical planner DIY thing. I'll keep these pages and I'll just add more, and I'll report back when I find new covers. Thanks for watching. I hope you found something useful. Let me know if you've used the disc system before and if you have any tips and tricks to help survive another trip. Have a great week. See you in the next one. Bye.